Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW at 24 traders. For Elliott Wave Trading, our website is www.24elliottwaves.com. The title of the video is How to Trade the Elliott Wave Extensions Like a Pro, Part 5. In this video, we're going to summarize everything that we have discussed in part 1 to part 4, adding more tips and tricks to traders so they may adopt the mindset of professional Elliott Wave practitioner. Okay? So, at this stage, traders who have watched part 1 to part 4 should be able to answer the following questions. So this is a kind of test for you. So what is an Elliott Wave extension? Are you able to answer that question clearly? All right. What is an Elliott Wave extension? Okay. Where does an Elliott Wave extension occur? When do the Elliott Wave extensions occur? All right. What is the fifth wave extension of the fifth wave extension? Okay, how to trade at the end of the fifth wave extension. Talking about practical Elliott Wave trading, what is the real meaning of the Elliott Wave extension? These are the questions that traders who have watched part 1 to part 4 should be able to answer correctly. But before we continue with this video tutorial, as always, I say to traders, when it comes to Elliott Wave, it is not an exact science. Here we are talking about the Elliott Wave extension. All right? The Elliott Wave extension will take place either in the first, the third, and the fifth Elliott Wave. The Elliott Wave extension will take place in the motive waves. The motive waves are the waves that are in the direction of the trend. In the language of the Elliott Wave theorists, okay, when we are talking about a trend, we are talking about motive wave in singular. Now, when we are talking about the motive wave, we are talking about wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combined. So here, if you are using the motive wave in singular, we are talking about wave 1 to 5, a trending phase. All right? So the Elliott wave that are in the direction of the trend are what we call the motive waves in plural. But when we are talking about the motive wave itself, we are talking about wave 1 on any time frame. Okay? When we are talking about the motive wave, we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So where do the extension occur is during the first or the third or the fifth wave. If the first wave is not extended, there's a high chance that the third wave will be extended. If the third wave is not extended, if the first and the third are not extended, there's a high chance that the fifth wave will be extended. Great. Sometimes the first wave will be extended straight away. But remember, the third Elliott wave is the best place for the Elliott wave extension. Great. Now, according to the wave principle, the third Elliott wave should not be the shortest wave. So you may say, why do we care about all this? All right. Suppose the first and the third are not extended, the market sentiment is bullish in a bullish cycle, it's a high chance that the fifth wave will be extended. It makes sense? It is also powerful information that can help us to forecast in real time the price more. Now, we also understand the real meaning, talking about practical Elliott Wave trading, what is the real meaning of an Elliott Wave extension? It is about the saturation of bulls or bear, either in an uptrend or downtrend, or high participation and high trading volume supported by sound fundamental. Okay? This is very important. This is also answering a question about when do the extension occur. They occur when the market sentiment is bullish, supported by strong fundamentals. All right? In the trending periods. That's when, okay? When fundamental are solid, okay? Bullish, we are in a bullish market. Fundamental are solid. Market sentiment is bullish, all right? There's a high chance we may see a lot of extensions in the direction of the current trend, all right? Now, the normal definition of what is an extension is a wave that is divided into 5 sub-waves. A motive wave that is subdivided into 5 minor waves is what we call an Elliott wave extension. To trade at the end of the 5th wave, we know there are 3 scenarios. At the end of the 5th wave extension, there's a high chance that we may see a sharp correction, bringing the price back down to the low of what? The 2nd minor wave of the 5th wave itself. That's the first scenario. At the end of the 5th wave extension, we may also see a flat correction. The price may drop down 1, 2, 3 to the low of the 2nd minor wave or the 5th wave, and then bouncing back up to display a new high before coming back down again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the low of the 5th wave itself, to complete the complex correction in the form of an expanded flat correction. The third scenario about how to trade at the end of the 5th wave extension is when the price drops down to the low of the 2nd minor wave of the 5th wave and then bounce up, but in this case did not display a new high before coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the low of the 5th wave itself. One must always apply a top-down trading method, the setup, validation of the setup, and then selecting a low-risk entry point for entry without violating the trading drill and the market patterns. Okay? Traders must always understand that the Elliott wave extension is not an exact science. The first wave can be extended, the third wave can be extended, and the 5th wave can be extended. The best place for the extension is the 3rd Elliott wave, which is usually the longest wave. Alright? But sometimes the 3rd wave is not extended, but if the fundamental are not as solid, there's a high chance that the 5th wave will be extended. There is a case talking about what is the 5th wave extension or the 5th wave extension. There is a case when the 5th wave, the 5th minor wave or the 5th wave that has been extended, can be extended again, talking about the 5th wave extension of the 5th wave extension. Now, if that is too complex for you, talking about the 5th wave extension or the 5th wave extension, I recommend to traders to go back and watch the video about how to trade the Elliott wave extension like a pro, part 2. This is the end of this series of video about how to trade the Elliott wave extension like a pro, part 1 to 5. I hope you have learned, okay, a great deal out of it, and will put it to use, okay, to improve, okay, your trading knowledge and skills, and most importantly, to start developing the mindset of a professional Elliott wave theorist. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade the Elliott wave extension like a pro. End of series of video. If you love this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you disliked it, please give us the thumbs down. If you love it, please feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you are in love with us, you like what we are doing, you love what we are doing, feel free to subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel and also to 24 Elliott Wave website. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you have any question, put it below and we'll get back to you.